I'm Kasora, the developer of a private software, Skeb Sniper. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use it. I'm using Skeb Sniper version 2.1. If you're watching this tutorial in the future, you'll probably be using 2.5 or even 3.1, I don't know. So the user interface might look a little different and there'll be more advanced features, but the core functionality will probably be the same. Here I have the installer I downloaded from my website. Now let's install it. After downloading, you'll see it asking if you want to download Firefox. I'd recommend you do. If you already have Firefox installed, I'd suggest you completely uninstall it first to avoid some incompatibility issues because the software expects a specific version to work. Now with Firefox ready, you'll see a notice if the app doesn't have your user info. Make sure you read it carefully. Don't skip it. It's very important. Double check that you have enough Skeb points for your commissions, that you're using the email you receive emails from Skeb, and that you have email notifications enabled for the artist you want to commission. Also, make sure you test the program before running it in the background. Now I'm going to enter my Twitter handle, email address, and password. Here, the user information is encrypted and stored locally, so nobody can see your password. Even if someone stole the encrypted files, they couldn't decrypt them. Next, I'll go ahead and enter the request, just like how I do on Skeb. I have the request in plain text, so I can just copy it into the app. Pretty easy, huh? Here, I want to set the amount to 1,000 yen, because I don't actually want to send the request right now. I'm just testing it. When the amount is lower than the minimum, you can find the minimum on Skeb. Skeb won't let you send the request. After filling out the request, let's go to the task manager. We see our new task here. You can choose between Gmail and Outlook, and here I want to use Gmail. Then click on Test Run to run the task and monitor that artist. But first I want to check if my request was entered correctly. I see the amount is 1,000 yen, so the request won't go through. Now I can confidently click Test Run. If it's your first time using Gmail or Outlook, or if your token was deactivated, you'll be directed to the login page where you authorize the app to access your email. Make sure you read our privacy policy to understand what the app does. Now that we've authorized the app to read our emails in the test run, the app will automatically send a fake email to you. It'll then read that fake email, interpret its content, and figure out it's an email from Skeb saying your artist has opened requests, and it'll automatically fill out the request for you on Skeb. We see that the task failed, and that's expected because I purposely set the amount to 1,000 yen, so Skeb stops us from sending the request. Now we go back to the Create Task module in the app and change the amount. In case you're not sure about the recommended amount, we have a feature called the multiplier. After the artist opens, the app gets the recommended amount from Skeb and calculates how much you should send. In this case, the recommended amount is 18,000 yen on Skeb. I'll set the multiplier to 1.0, and the program will calculate the amount to exactly 18,000 yen. The amount calculated from the multiplier overrides the amount you entered manually, so it's not going to send 10,000 yen. Double check the request by clicking View Request Info. Now we just sit here and wait for the email to arrive. But since this is a tutorial and I don't want to wait, I sent an email to myself, exactly like what Skeb sends you. So this email is what you get when an artist opens requests, and the app reads it and understands that the artist is open. See, it automatically launched Firefox to send the request. Very clean execution. I can see the request was sent successfully. I got the email from Skeb saying the request was sent, and I can also see it on Skeb. I see the amount is 18,000 yen, not 10,000, because the multiplier calculation overrides the manual input. You can also see the log saying I sent 18,000 yen to the artist with the request details. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.